STEAM education because she loves everything related to science. Since Elizabeth joined Sampoerna Academy, she builds more self-confidence and focus during her study, and also she managed to learn how to be a good speaker and also leader at the same time. Like last year, she was able to join a global debate competition because of her confidence is building up. She managed to win in the Jakarta regional round and also global round in Bangkok.
I think it's important for our kids to learn STEAM because it will drive innovation, and innovation will drive the futures. So they can be competing not only on the national level but also global level as well. I can see that my son and my daughter have a creative thinking, and then how they do the teamwork to collaborate, to communicate in sharpening and discussing about the idea. And the last but not least is also during the presentations, because they need to have the compelling story to convince the judges and convince the relevant teachers on how the idea is actually really great. My children are having more confidence. They have also good critical thinking, and hence they will speak up more properly in a way on how they do and try to rationale what is being asked, not just doing it. And last but not least is also they have a balanced social life, not only in the digital space, but also when they have a face-to-face with their friends.